Could you build the next billion-dollar company by 2026, or even settle for a sweet, life-changing million? Sounds crazy, right? Not anymore. Meet Claude 4, the AI brainchild from Anthropic that codes, reasons, creates, and maybe even prints your next paycheck. Too good to be true? Stick around. We're breaking it all down. Welcome to Dumb It Down, where we cut the jargon, keep it snappy, and make big ideas simple. If you're new here, hit subscribe and ring that bell so our videos come to you fresh from the oven. What is Claude 4? Claude 4 dropped on May 22nd, 2025, and it's the most powerful model yet from Anthropic, a company founded by ex-OpenAI researchers. You've got two versions, Claude Sonnet 4 for rapid responses and Claude Opus 4 for deep thinking. Think of Sonnet like a race car, fast and responsive. Opus? That's your research professor who works 24/7. Here's the kicker. Claude 4 is built with hybrid reasoning, meaning it can switch gears from quick answers to deep, multi-step problem solving, all in one brain. Why Claude 4 is a big deal? Coding beast. Claude 4's Opus model scored 72.7% on SWE Bench. That's a brutal industry benchmark that tests whether AI can solve real GitHub coding issues. For context, SWE Bench is like an Olympic decathlon for coders. Reasoning Pro Claude can solve multi-step problems using tools like search, memory, and even document references. It's like Sherlock Holmes if he was made of silicon and caffeine. Memory Master. Opus remembers everything from long projects, not like some other models that forget what you told them 3 paragraphs ago. Safety first. Claude makes 65% fewer mistakes than most other models, which means you can trust it with serious work. Real success stories. Here's what it looks like in the wild. Palo Alto Networks cut their development time by up to 30% using Claude 4. That's months shaved off delivery timelines. WPP, one of the world's biggest marketing firms, now uses Claude to help generate content and strategies, scaling output without scaling headcount. Real companies, real ROI, real fast. How you can use Claude 4. Claude 4 isn't just for Silicon Valley, it's for you. Solo founders can build apps in days. Claude can code, debug, and even pitch your business idea. Creators can write blogs, scripts, newsletters, whatever you need. It's like having a turbocharged writer on call. Small businesses can automate customer service or analyze reports. Claude replies with the polish of a pro 24/7. Students and side hustlers can use Claude to study smarter, brainstorm ideas, or launch your first project. How to get started. Here's your quick start guide. Go to Claude.ai and sign up. It's free to try. Pick your model, Sonnet 4 for speed, Opus 4 for big problems. Start small. Write a tweet thread. Ask for a logo idea. Get help coding a landing page. Be specific with prompts. Claude loves clarity. Rather than write me a code for a website, try. Write a Python script that summarizes Reddit comments by sentiment. Scale up as you go. Claude never sleeps, never gets bored, and never asks for a raise. Pitfalls to avoid. A few quick warnings. Don't expect magic. Claude is powerful, but only as good as the person guiding it. Don't be lazy. You still need basic skills to know if it's doing the right thing. Don't forget the rules. Legal, ethical, and IP boundaries still apply, even when the code is magic. The billion-dollar future. By 2026, Claude 4 could power startups with zero-code founders, businesses scaling without hiring, creators building full media brands solo. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here, and it's personal. Your 2026 action plan. What could the next 18 months look like for you? Months 1 to 3, master Claude. Build your first project. Months 4 to 8, scale what works, create systems. Months 9 to 18, multiply your impact, start earning at scale. Start today so you can have a chance to lead the race. Claude 4 won't build your dreams for you, but it will give you superpowers. So visit Claude.ai and explore. Hit like if this gave you ideas. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Drop a comment. What will you build with Claude? And finally, keep building, keep dreaming, and remember, the future belongs to those who start today.